I'm okay. I'm totally fine.
Hello everybody and welcome back to another practice session with me. This week we are doing feet. Anatomy has always been a bit of an issue with me, but nothing more than hands and feet. Feet especially. Hands I'm kind of getting used to, but feet, they are still a problem. And as you can see in this video, you will see me go back and forth on how they're done, doing them different ways, trying to sort of way. Because I'm not using reference at the moment, I'm trying to do it in a way where I can remember it. And it's a good way of learning to draw, is by learning the basics and then just trying to remember them and doing them your way. Work it out how you are going to do it, how you remember it. Because at the end of the day, you can be told anything, but doing it is another story. Practice is a good example of that. If you practice, you get it more than just being told how it's done. You learn by practicing, getting it right, familiarizing yourself with something, and by trying to work out how the feet are done by, say, using just a single picture or just what you know and doing it and thinking, oh, this doesn't look right. It allows you to grow, experience, and remember it the way you want to remember it, which always helps out more. Anyway, enjoy the video, watching me draw, see how I'm working it out, how I'm practicing, and hopefully you'll pick up some tips and tricks and improve your own art. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video and maybe learned something, or at least got some good practice in. If you liked the video, please leave a like by hitting the thumbs up, and if you would like to keep up to date on when I post videos, then feel free to hit that subscribe button. But for now, thank you for watching and enjoy your day.